Shenyang AERTI Tech Company Limited was established in 2013. AERTI is a professional Chinese factory specializing in developing, manufacturing, and exporting qualified oxygen concentrator, oxygen analyzer, oxygen cocktail mixer. We have the team with 20 years of experience on PSA technology. As an ISO and CE certified company approved by TÜV, we attach more importance to quality and service. We own the fire retardant technology in China. We have gained 3 patents: design patent, tank patent, valve patent in China. We can supply oxygen flow from 1 liter per minute to 120 liter per minute. For example, Intelligent Ultra Quiet AE Series, New Arrival Intelligent AR Series, Portable Size AM Series, High Flow AH Series Oxygen Concentrator. They are widely used in medical, healthcare, cosmetic, and beauty, high altitude and hypoxia training, fish ponds, ozone, glass blowing, and other industry fields. OEM and ODM orders are available and welcome. Health achieves dream. Quality awards splendor. With the service concept of safety, sincerity, efficiency, innovation, surpass. AERTI will make all efforts to help customers to settle problems. It is always our biggest wish to provide the reliable products and professional service to all users around the world. If you have any new ideas or concepts, please contact us. We would be very glad to work together with you and bring you the satisfied products.